question. Simpson's rule, the formula is this. We're doing Simpson's rule with 4 strips, so that means I need to work out, I'm going to have 5 values for y, y0, y1, y2, y3 and y4. So my last value, I'll just go straight from 4 lots of y3 to the last lot of y4, for 1 lot of y4. I'm going to draw a quick sketch of e to the root x. We don't have to know what that looks like, we can just guess. But we do know that when x equals 0, e to the power of 0 is 1. So I'm going to reckon that the graph is going to look something like this, where that value is 1. So I'm going to put my 2 here, because we're integrating between 0 and 2. It wants us to have 4 strips. So I know the width of my intervals is going to be a half. So h is a half. We're going to save that for later. And I'm going to work out or write down my table of x and y values. So x is going to be 0, a half, 1, 3/2, and 2. And I'm going to work out my y values. So I'm going to have e to the 0, we've already said is 1. E to the root half is 2.028. I'm going to save that value on my calculator. I'm going to put that into my memory A. So I'm going to remind myself that that's where it's gone. E to the root 1 is just going to be e. So I'm just going to write e and use that later. There's no point in just working out e and saving that into memory because I've got that button ready. Next one is going to be e to the root of 3/2. I'm going to work that one out on my calculator, which is 3.40. I'm going to save that into my memory B. And the next one is going to be e to the power of root 2. Which is 4.113, and that's going to go in my memory C. So, save those into my memory, and now I'm going to type them in on my calculator. I've got h is a half, so I've got a half divided by 3. So the area is going to be a half divided by 3, so that's a 1/6, times by 1 lot of y0, which is 1, 4 lots of the number that I've saved into memory A, 2 lots of E, 4 lots of what I saved into memory B, and 1 lot of what I saved into memory C. I get a value of 5.38 to 3 significant figures. I'm just going to double check that's what they wanted it is. Accurate to, yes they did, 3 significant figures. So 5.38 is my final answer.